Hello everyone, good morning, and this is the daily tarot report of 5th July 2021. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you, but before I start my reading, I have an important message for somebody. You are not forced to watch this videos if you don't like. And I think I got a very weird kind of comment yesterday. I think it was a comment about my tarot deck, and many tarot readers have been attacked because some people they don't like the figures or the pictures on the tarot deck. So, and I think whatever was written was in a very different language. So nobody is forcing you or to either watch these tarot readings, or nobody is even forcing you to have faith in them. If you really believe in them, then only you watch. Otherwise, please don't post such problematic comments. So I shall begin again. This is the tarot reading for 5th of July. This is a collective reading. This is general reading. It may or may not resonate with each one of you. Alright. Okay, so these are the 5 cards I've taken out. Please don't mind about the videography. This is because some renovation is going on in my house. Okay, so the first card is the Tower. Alright, so the first card is the Tower in the reverse. So today there can be a big shake up for certain people, for someone. There can be big changes, big time changes, which are really irreversible. This is a major arcana, and there will be certain big shifts or changes in your life today can take place in some people's lives. And what I see from this reading is that after this big shake-up, there'll be some sort of teamwork has to be done, some sort of, talking or negotiations will go on between these 3 people. So it can be you or the other party. And for that, to face this Tower moment, you need to have strength today. So what I feel that please be courageous enough to face a major change today, or a major information which is going to come into your life today. Now another card is this 8 of Wands. This is the lesson for you today, is that you have to have strength to face this Tower moment. And this communication, for this you will have to negotiate with someone with whom you might have some sort of showdown or something. You can see it's here, these 2 people falling out of the Tower. And this is the 5 of Pentacles, and after this Tower moment, somebody is going to leave. Somebody will want to leave the situation, would like to get out of this situation, because things will seem to be very, very shaky today, and they are not in the right kind of perspective. So now let's see what we have in your message from the universe. What is the message for today, 5th July? Okay, so the message for you is personal growth. The message for you is personal growth, which means that you will have to, there will be something, some big shake-up, some big shift, which will help you to grow. It is something which needs to get changed. So this will help you to grow in your personal growth. So this has to happen, and this is a major arcana, so this is going to happen. Surely for few of you, please take whatever resonates with you. Use the purple color today to remain peaceful. And I think the zodiac signs dealing is mainly the Leos. They can be Leos and fire signs as well. And there are earth signs as well. Please keep an open mind, and whatever negotiations or talking work has to be done with 2 or more people, please go ahead with that and don't feel disheartened. So please be ready to face a change today, major shift today. I hope this resonates with you. Please take whatever resonates with you, and see you tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye.